All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm working on my RV. This is a 2018 Thor motor coach. It's the Hurricane 34J, but this is for most Class A's. This is going to apply for. But I got to change out my windshield wipers. I just got this 3 or 4 months ago, and these wipers are actually just falling apart here. And the metal part has been hanging down out the side. When I was driving this home, it was quite the mess. And this takes a 32-inch windshield wiper blade. They don't sell that like at regular auto parts stores. The biggest I could find in an auto parts store was a 28-inch, and that won't fit because this blade here is actually a little thicker than regular automotive. So you got to get a special motorhome type windshield wiper blade. I found these on Amazon. I wanted to share this because I was pretty excited to see. This is like the cheapest ones I could find on Amazon. But what I found is it comes with the full replacement metal part. It's got the rubber and the metal pieces inside of it. But the cool thing is it comes with a replacement set of rubber blades so that you can swap out the rubber blade in this once it gets worn. So yeah, I can put these on, use this for this season, and then next year I can just swap out the rubber blade part and get 2 seasons, 2 years out of these wiper blades. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. So let me just show you how easy it is to get these changed out. All right, if you ever changed out windshield wiper blades on any vehicle, this is pretty much the same for any vehicle, the procedure here. But taking off the old one, there's a little clip right inside here. So you push the clip and then you just push this out, and then you're able to take that out. So you can see that little, there's a clip there. Just push the clip, push it out, and just hooks on. So super simple to change out. So to get this one on, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to, okay, so the easiest way I found to put this back on is you want to have the clip side facing up like this, the rounded part facing the blade, and then what I'll do is I'll put the loop through like that. And I'll push this. Oh, there we go. Okay, then I'll push it on like that, and then all set. Also, this is a good time to just to make sure that the windshield washer sprayer nozzles, this on the other ones come a little loose. This one's actually they're supposed to go a little further up here, so to give me a little more slack here. So make sure that those are positioned. I'm actually going to get some, like maybe some epoxy or some kind of adhesive to like make sure that doesn't move. Because I've had these like fall off or fall down, and so these, as these get older, you want to make sure these just stay in the correct spot. So that's pretty much the process. I'm going to get the other one on the other side. Okay, here's these ones. I don't even know how old these are. These even have rust on them. I mean, these. See how these metal parts are just like coming apart? When I was driving, I was driving through the rain, and I couldn't find any new windshield wipers, but these metal parts were sliding down. They were scratching the windshield. It was a mess. All right, so we're getting our next one put on here. I'll show you how easy it is. That's how easy it is right there. So this, I'm going to get some... Yeah, I'm going to get some glue and just kind of glue that on there, and then I need to get this windshield washer hose just kind of strapped out of the way here. But that's how easy it is to change out the windshield wipers. Pretty easy, pretty simple. See the link to these down in the description below. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.